Addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. This is exercise 1.1a. We are doing question number 3 today. We know that we have to write each digit at its proper place and the decimals should be in a straight line. So here we go. We are adding 7.004 to 0.368. 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 is carried forward, 6 plus 1 is 7, 0 plus 3 is 3. Then comes the decimal. Again, it's in the same line. And 7 plus 0 is 7. So the answer is 7.372. Likewise, we are going to do question number 4. 0.06 plus 0.006. Over here we have added 0, which we can, and while doing subtraction we have to add this 0. Over here, even if we remove it or even if we write it, the answer will remain the same. In question number 5, we have to add 3 numbers together. The addition remains the same, the whole method. Now let's see how are we going to write it. Here we go. So 4.2, then it's 42, and then 420. If we make any changes, like if by mistake we write it like this, it will be incorrect. So 4 is at the ones place, in 42 2 is at the ones place, in 420 0 is at the ones place. So we have to make sure that we write it properly and then we can add. We don't have anything to add to this 2 after the decimal. So we'll write it like that. Then comes the decimal. Then 4 plus 2 plus 0 is 6. Again at the tens place, it's 4 and then 2. It's 6 and then 466.2 is our answer. Subtraction of decimals is almost the same as subtraction of whole numbers. Question number 6. The most important rule is to line up the decimal points. You can see it over here. Write the numbers one below the other. Make sure the decimal points are exactly under each other and we get our answer. Then question number 7. We add a 0 to 11.4 to make the number of decimal places equal. Subtract from right to left. Start subtracting from the hundreds, then tens, then ones, and then tens. So over here, if we don't put a 0 here, what are we going to subtract 3 from? So now we have to borrow, and 10 minus 3 is 7. Then it's 3 over here. And again we have to borrow. This is 13. Take away 7. It's 6. And put the decimal point. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1 and we get our answer.